Something has to change fast, or it's going to be very close to a May 30 event. Never want to say that, but that's what we have right now. It is shrouded in debris. It's a low wedge shrouded in debris. I'm going to show you where it is right now. It's shrouded. It's in there. It's in debris. May 3rd did the same thing. It is a mile-wide debris cloud. It is a mile-wide wedge, violent tornado. The only way you're going to guarantee you will survive is if you are out of the way, below ground, storm cellar, or basement. Safe for it. That's it. Nothing else is going to do it. Do not ride this out in your hold. Interior closet or bathroom. Go. You're better off if you're over here around downtown.
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a tornado warning for central Clark County in southern Nevada until 7 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado located over Winchester, moving north to northeast at 60 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for the eastern Las Vegas metropolitan area. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Seek shelter immediately. Locations impacted include Las Vegas, Winchester, Sunrise Manor, North Las Vegas, Stewart Place, Nellis Air Force Base, East Las Vegas and Washington Square. If you are in this warning, seek shelter now. Expected hazards included an extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.